Well, good day, all. Ira Epstein, and here we are with your metal market report. And your metal markets are for Thursday, the 6th of April, 2023, and we're on, right now, getting on at 10 minutes to 6, 5:50 p.m. Central Time. Now, I got to ask a question of it all. You're aware many of the markets aren't going to open tonight. They're through trading until Sunday night. Give you an example. Where's your quotes in the energies? They're not there. I thought metals were open tonight, and apparently they're not either. None of them are trading. You are open in the currency market, you are open in the interest rates, and you are open in stock indices. But basically, all the other markets, check with your broker to be double sure that I'm right, they are closed. And the nuttiness of this, to me it's nuttiness, is the government's going to release its all-important jobs data report in the morning. So you're going to get the reaction. It'll come out, and then even the futures markets, they're done trading right after 9 or so in the morning. So check with your broker the times, but you want to be up on it. My clients, they were sent this today. Again, they were sent beginning of the week and the end, so they should have all that they need. So let's take a look and see how we finished up the week, I guess is the way to call it. In the gold, you're up 2%. Okay, this market's going to take off Sunday night or collapse Sunday night, basis what the jobs data does and the reaction to it. Now, what's wrong with this is you're going to have fewer traders looking at this report and a thinned out trade because of the Good Friday day and the Easter holiday. So, as I said, you were getting your volume falling off with the Jewish Passover holiday that kicks in right at this time as well. So you've thinned it all out. Where are we going to go? What's going to be what in the labor report? Are they going to show that the hospitality and leisure is staying strong, or is it finally cracking, as so many other areas did? That's what you got to look for. What about wage pressures? Where are they going to be? The naysayers have come out, and I write tonight in detail what they're doing. I show a lot of graphs tonight and showing how they have decided that the Fed is not right, won't end the year up around 5.25% as was in the dot plots, that it's going to be closer to 4.25%. So that's where you're backing off in the marketplace. We'll see who's right and who's wrong. Inflation will tell the key. I bet on the Fed, period. Why? Because the market has its own idea. The Fed has two edicts, only two: full employment and inflation. If they say their goal is 2% and they're nowhere near it, you got a problem, all right? I know you'll tell me, well, the economy's going to go into a recession. Okay, but it hasn't. I think it's been in one. I think this is what you call a slow rolling one in the economy, and the market loves it. Look at stock indices. They've all come roaring back. When you take a look at the gold chart, you can see how the market is sitting here waiting for that report. The pattern has gotten lower and low and a higher high. Not seeing much I would do with that. When you look at where it came back to, the 18-day average, I would look for that on reactions down to be the big support number that the market gets, if it can get there. You know, to get there is now $40 away. It's not a hop, skip, and a jump. Where did the market stop the rally? You know, I keep teaching you here, look at Bollinger Bands, learn how to work with them. They're probably the most important tool right in front of you. There is another tool, the outside day, and that occurs all the time on charts. You've got to learn to work with it. Here was an outside day up. As soon as you took that day's high out, away you go. It's called a continuation pattern. When you get an outside day and you don't do that, and you take one that's up and you take out the low within 48 hours, often you go the other way. Learn how to recognize this. I'll talk about it at the end of this. When we look at momentum, did we embed? It takes 3 days in a row minimum, over 80 to embed. So you got that on Thursday. Wednesday, you had both numbers over 80. You didn't have it the day before. So the next trading day is going to be what determines if it embeds or not. The gold-silver ratio, the ratio still says silver making up a lot of ground. You realize this began in the neighborhood of 76 to 78. I'll call it right in this area. It got all the way up to 93 and has come crashing back. Part of this is the demand for, obviously, solar energy. It's big, and that's keeping silver well bid at this point in time. There's going to be a lot of things that you see coming up. This getting away from fossil fuels is creating opportunities in markets. Now, silver's a fully embedded reading. I want back in. All right, I told clients recently to come out up there. I have no position. I don't mind sharing that with you as to what I have my subscribers in the morning videos doing. I want one, but I'll wait for this report. Why, again, here I am in the middle of a train track, all right? Can I jump fast enough to the left or right? On a thin market, a holiday market, guessing what the reaction to the jobs report is going to be, let alone the report number. I don't think I'm good enough. I'm not fast enough to make that jump. In the copper market, we went down and did find the support at the 100-day average and the resistance now at the Bollinger Band. So the market's defining a trading zone, if you will, trying to find a bottom in the market, but not a trend to the upside. In the platinum market, you rolled back underneath the Bollinger Band into what had been resistance, the 100-day average, acting on the pullback as support. We'll see if that lasts or not, or if the market wants to come back down to the 18-day average. Again, the jobs data is going to play a big role in all this. Palladium, the same thing. You can see momentum up, trend up, and bias up. Until the market takes out this low, the odds favor it's going to try more of the upside. In the dollar, you have an embedded reading. I think this was the rally that pros are trying to sell short into the jobs report. Not this guy. I am bearish, real bearish on the dollar, but I like to see the jobs report, okay? I've been around this so long that I realize that you want to go through these and you want to catch that thrust. You know, you could be right, the report, and the market doesn't react the way you think. You just never know. And why would I go into a holiday trade where you don't have the stock market open, traders aren't looking? A big order on a thin market does murder sometimes to positions. Just be careful is my warning to all of you out there. You've got to be careful when you do these things. Now, as you heard me say, it's more than just Bollinger Bands. I like to pick easy things on a chart and teach them to my followers. Why? Because they're there in front of you. You get an outside day almost every day of the week in a market. Okay, and I'm talking in futures markets, I'm talking in stocks, it's there. But futures especially, they're all over the board. I created 9 video chapters. I think you can master 9. I show you examples in stocks, futures, and ETFs of what they do, how they do it, and the general rules that I follow. With the course, what you get a 14-day trial to my complete futures research. You're going to get the Ira charts, and you're going to get the ETFs. So you're going to get everything you need, 2-week trial to everything thrown in. Alone, this is more money than what I charge for the course in some cases, all right? Because we give you the best version of our charting software that we have, and I think you'll find that it's very, very complete and helps you. If you're an options trader, you'll love what we do in this too. So how do you get this? It's simple. You can go to our website under the word education, or as you can see here, just move your cursor over the top. You'll see the icon. Take the course. Could it be simpler? I'm Ira Epstein, wishing all a good Friday, happy Passover, and happy Easter to one and all. I will see everybody sometime over the weekend. I will do a morning recording, not for the ETF subscribers. I will for the futures people. You know, I might as well go ahead and do that. But I may wait on the futures instead of doing it at my normal 5:30 in the morning. Maybe I want to wait a little bit, get the jobs report, and then put that out. I'm going to send a notice to everybody. Why not do it that way? Now you're right in the thick of things. Got it? I think it makes a lot more sense. In any case, I'm Ira Epstein. You have yourselves a great day, and I will see you all tomorrow morning. Take care.